Are we ready for them to watch the video? Shake if you agree. Good, yeah.
Skin is getting brown, baby. Drink your night away, maybe we will not regret it. You will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I am doing a different video today. It's along, my new goals for this year. So this one is decluttering all of my clothes. I'm not very good at throwing things out. I like to keep things just in case I'm gonna need them. But I decided I can't get to anything. There's so many things that I just don't know what I'm gonna be able to do with. Look at those little bubbles, just making them so comfortable. So I had to be realistic, and I just wanted to show you some of the progress of where I was at and where I am now after just going through and just being like, really, when's the last time I used this? So many things I held on to because, maybe I didn't, I felt like, oh, I've only worn this once, it feels stupid to get rid of it now, or, I'll fit into that one day. But I had to think realistically, my fashion and my sense of style has changed quite a lot over time. Anything that was, ripped or, not really salvageable, I just straight up binned. I got rid of one whole garbage bag full of things from my chest of drawers and my other clothes and stuff from the wardrobe. And then I got 5 massive garbage bags full of other clothes to donate. Okay, so we've got Adam's stuff here. I haven't really done anything with that. I've taken a bunch of his shoes out and I've just put them there with like a backpack that he never uses anymore because he got a new one, so he can go through and decide what he wants to keep. Other than that, he's just got his nice shoes in there and his clothes. He can organize that himself. I fixed up my other shoes that are in here. I donated quite a few of them. I donated heaps of clothes from here. I didn't really throw out anything from in here into the actual bin. I have 5 garbage bags full of stuff from here. Down here is just some I have my gym bag and a couple other little, carry bag type things, just some Ugg boots and yeah, shoes. So everything else that was on the floor that was clothes, that's currently in the wash. I'm gonna dry it, then I'll hang it back up out of stuff that I wanted to keep. Everything else is already in the boot of the car. I'm really bad at organizing my actual other clothes that go in here. Sorry, there's like always some kind of tissue on the floor from the dogs, so I just put them like this. I put little labels so I can actually remember. So I've just got like all my tops that I just wear around the house, all my leggings in here. They're just like normal leggings, workout leggings, some nice leggings, whatever. I've got like singlets, like those basics and stuff. I threw out quite a few of them, so I need to get some more of them. And I've got like my nice tees and stuff that, don't really need to be hung up, just like, basic t-shirts that are a bit nicer. And yeah, these are like singlet tops or whatever. We have in this drawer is like pants, so I've got like, just whatever pants here that I don't have to hang up. I've got all my jeans in the middle, and then here I've just got some nice shorts or skirts that don't really need to be hung up. I mean, they probably could be. This drawer, I don't really know what I'm going to use for yet. I'm sure I'll fill it up fast enough. And then the bottom drawer is I've got jumpers and trackies and stuff. That's about it. So these are on a little stand in my home office. See how it's like really long? So these are stuff that I need or want to shoot with. So most of this I've already shot with, so I will take this down to the front cupboard now and then keep stuff that I still want to shoot with. So like I want to shoot with this and I haven't yet, so I'll leave that here, but everything else pretty much I can put back. Then I also got this coat stand, so I'm going to put some coats and stuff on here to keep them out of the way as well. So yeah, that's what I did. I wanted to kind of introduce this video because I just kind of started filming yesterday. I've got my very attractive home clothes on, my home dress, no bra, no makeup, anything like that. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of tell you a bit about what exactly I was trying to do yesterday before we just jumped straight into doing it. And yeah, I'm really happy. I feel so much better. I feel like I can justify, buying more clothes now and doing more of that fashion content that you guys seem to really be liking. You hear the dogs running around Girls. They're quiet now. But yeah, so that's what I was doing. I just thought I would tell you a bit about it and explain a little bit about it. And then what I did was I hung all of the coat hangers around the one way, and then what I'm going to do is when I wear the outfit, I'll take it out and then I'll hang it back in with the coat hanger on the other way. So then every few months I can go through and I can see, like, you know, have I even worn this kind of thing, and hopefully it will help me, you know, cull the collection a little bit more consistently so it doesn't get so out of hand, because it was so out of hand. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these organizational type videos down below, and we will see you all next time. See ya.